Hey guys, it's your girl Dyme and I'm back with a brow tutorial for all my girls that's been struggling with their natural brows. So let's get right into the video. First, I'm going to start by taking my spoolie and brushing my eyebrows up and out. Then I'm going to take my brown eyebrow pencil and start to underline my brow, giving it the shape and the arch that I want. Using the same method I did on the first eyebrow, I'm going to do the same thing to the next. As I do this, I also make sure the brows are even. I'm then going to outline the top part of my brow, finishing off and filling in my arch with hair-like strokes. Using that same method, I'm also going to go in and fill in the next brow. I'm then going to take my spoolie and brush my eyebrows up and out, blending out any harsh lines from the brow pencil. I'm then going to take this lighter brown eyebrow pencil and start to fill in the front part of my brows, giving it the light to dark ombre effect. As you can see, I alternate between eyebrows because it gives me a more precise, even look versus me just doing one brow at a time. I'm then going to take my spoolie again, brushing my eyebrows up and out, blending out any harsh lines from the brow pencil. Then I'm going to take my brow pomade and apply that lightly to the front of my brow and darken it out as I extend to the end of my brow. I'm then going to take a concealer that's a few shades lighter than my skin tone and apply it under my brow, outlining and cleaning up any fallout or mess. Using the same concealer, I'm going to do the same thing to the next brow. Using a concealer that's the same color as my skin tone, I'm then going to outline the top part of my brows, once again removing any fallout or any mess up crooked lines. And it's optional, this step is completely optional of the concealer. I don't suggest or advise that you use concealer or concealer that's lighter than your skin tone for your brows unless you plan on doing a full face of makeup, which includes the foundation and everything. Then I'm going to take my dampened beauty blender and blend out the concealer. And as you can see, I also use my finger to blend it out because it gives it a more natural and precise look. Because my finger has my body temperature, so it just blends it a little more naturally. Then I'm just going to do the same thing to the top part of my brows, blending it out. And as you can see, I blend it out more into my face as well. Okay guys, and there you have it.